Hey, Achim here from American Runabouts. Next step on the Hellwig. You may forgive me that I didn't film the painting. Actually, ran out of batteries on the real camera today. 4 sets, they're all dead for whatever reason. They probably don't like the weather or whatever. So a quick one with the phone. Yeah, lower parts painted, still a bit wet, so you see probably some dull and some more glossy areas. That's because it's not dried yet. Came out super nice. I'm pretty happy with it. A few people asked me on the last video why I did not like sand everything and then fiberglass and then paint it. Reason is simple. I don't want to turn it around and around and around like a pork on a barbecue. I just and especially as it's a small boat, it's not too much to be done. So we did the underside. It's ready painted. So tomorrow when everything's dry, we turn it around in its original position, and then I'll do the top part, and the lower part just gets covered with foil, so that will be all good. And then we'll do the top part, then it will go on the trailer. The trailer is ready. You saw in the last picture, actually these hubcaps are on now. And then it will move with us to the new workshop. You actually see that's a damn mess in here. That's because we are in the process of moving to the new workshop and parts are already gone. We start digging through the stuff that piled up here in the last 25 years. So then it will go to the new workshop. So we finish the dirt work in the old one, and then upholstery, interior, steering, engine, etc. will be done in the new workshop. If you quickly follow me, I also can show you the windscreen which we did today. Actually, we just formed it. It's still the heat blanket still over it, yeah, I can give you a quick look. So just come with me. Don't look left and right. As I told you, it's a mess. There's a bit of noise because the oven's running in the background, and yeah, there you see the freshly formed windscreen. It's obviously not cut yet. It's just a rough tracing, and the heat blanket's still on it. So that will cure for the next 30 minutes, and so all the tension's out of it. Of course, we tempered it. And yeah, so that was a quick update. Tomorrow I'll show you when we flip it, and then we continue working on the deck. And you probably also see the windscreen when we start cutting it into shape. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, comments, please use the comment section. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Check us out on Facebook, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.